So fix Xbox game bar not working. The first solution is simply go to your search bar and type comment yes, then type here SFC scan now. I will give in the description box and hit enter, and the system is beginning. It takes some time, and if this method not working, then go to your control panel again and search game bar, press on app setting, and from here go the reset option. So just simply reset this option, reset. It's done, once done. If it's now working, and if you don't working, then search Windows update and check for update, and hope this time your game bar is working properly, or if not, then comment in section below. I will help you. Thank you. Have a good day.